France's far-right scored a historic success in legislative elections, increasing its number of lawmakers almost tenfold and cementing the party's rise from fringe status to the mainstream opposition. Since taking the helm of the party in 2011, leader Marine Le Pen has sought to rid the National Front, now called the National Rally, of the anti-Semitic image it acquired under the nearly 40-year leadership of her father, ex-paratrooper Jean-Marie Le Pen. Securing 42% in April's presidential election, Le Pen had already tapped into the general disenchantment with President Emmanuel Macron and identifying anger across the country over the rising cost of living and the decline of many rural communities. According to estimates, Le Pen's party will win between 85 to 90 seats, which could make it the second largest party in parliament. Major pollsters last week estimated just 25 to 50 seats. We have achieved our three objectives, that of making Emmanuel Macron a minority president, without control of power, and that of pursuing the political recomposition essential to democratic renewal. A triumphant Le Pen told reporters after being re-elected in northern France and vowing to be a respectful opposition.